Well, every game is living its own life in some way, and I think we are been developing the last weeks in all part of the game. We have a strong squad. Everyone is healthy. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, we really look forward to the game. I see that we are getting better and better to take runs in behind, to have a lot of moving, tempo on the ball, which is important against team like Ferencváros, who's playing a lot man-man in the defense. So we look forward for the game for sure.
Един въпрос към Дерой Дуарте. Дерой, първо да пожелая успех в утрешния двубой и да попитам, тежи ли на теб като футболист, когато си отпаднал от Шампионската лига срещу този съперник, а преди броени месеци загуби отново срещу Ференцварош, но в Лига Европа? Тежи ли това като резултати, които имахте?
Yes, good afternoon. Thank you. It's hard now. I think it's more a stimulus to play again against them. We lost already 2 times. So, yeah, obviously, now we want to win from them. And I think we are in a different phase as a team also. Obviously, we're now in a good run. So I feel more confident, and I think we have the qualities to win now from them.
Отново въпрос към господин Хьогмо. От началото на сезона 2 различни треньори се опитаха да победят Ференцварош. Ще бъде ли 3 щастливото число и вие да сте човека, който да сложите край на тази, да я наречем дори черна серия?
There is a chance for sure. We need to be at our best in all part of the game. And as Duarte say, we feel confident. We have been scoring a lot of goals against European teams, and we need to use our strength. But of course, we play against a good team. We've been good results, good players, good coach, and as you know, they have been strong in the last games. But this is a different one, and we look forward to play at home again. And I hope there will come a lot of people to support us, our great supporters, even if it's a little bit snowy today. It will be nice tomorrow. So hope many comes to see us.
Кои са най-силните страни в играта на Ференцварош от анализите? Микрофона не е включен. Просто не го изключвайте. Господин Хьогмо, кои са най-силните страни в играта на Ференцварош, сега вече като сте имали възможност да ги разузнаете и анализирате по-детайлно?
A solid team in terms of high intensity, well organized, physical, strong in all positions, and a team who has been playing together for some time, even if they have some new players. So it's a clear identity how they play, So we know that then again against this man, we need to beat them 1-against-1 and make unbalance, both with takeaway pressure, play-out pressure, and so on.
Предвид, че Лудогорец загуби само един от 8-те си мача в Европа тук в Разград, какъв би бил идеалният сценарий за вас утре и всъщност какъв резултат ще преследвате?
Well, it's back to 2 games, and for us the focus is to go out there, creating chances, scoring goals, but at the same time, of course, be good and to have good balance. So we always want to try to control part of the match as much as possible, and again, use our strength. We need to develop our identity in how we want to play football, and that will be the most important tomorrow, to be ourselves.
Въпрос към Дерой Дуарте. Ференцварош продаде 2 от основните си футболисти тази зима. Техният капитан също няма да вземе участие в двубоя. Накланя ли това везните във ваша полза и до каква степен?
Yeah, obviously. These 2 players were very good players. I think the striker he scored even 2 or 3 times against us. So I think this is an advantage. But at the same time, they have a squad with a lot of great players, a lot of quality players. So even if they lost these 2 or these 3 players, they still have a lot of quality. So it can be an advantage, but at the same time, we don't need to think about that too much because they still have a lot of quality.
Други въпроси? Преди да закрия пресконференцията, давам думата за последен коментар на господин Хьогмо.
Well, just in the end, sorry I was late today. I spoke to my colleague in Bodø this morning, and they are playing against Inter. So I said, today we have more snow in Raska than you have in Bodø. So we were laughing, but we are ready to fix the conditions for. It will be great on the pitch tomorrow. The club and the city is doing a great job out on the pitch now.